Hello and welcome to this episode. In this video, I'm going to repeat the exact same steps we took to erase the existing flash on the ESP32, and then we bent the new one onto it to support MicroPython. In this video, I'm going to use the ESP8266 instead of the ESP32 that we used earlier. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to erase the flash just as we did, and I've connected it to the USB like we did in the previous video, and I also know that the port that has been assigned is TTY USB 0. So if you're on Windows, find a COM port that identifies your device and repeat these same steps. So I'm going to flash it, erase the flash, and I don't know if you noticed, but the blue LED here was blinking, unlike in the ESP32 where nothing showed that some erasing or some flashing was happening. In the ESP8266, I think there is a blue light here that blinks for you to know that something is going on. Okay, so this is ESP8266, and we have flashed this successfully in 7.4 seconds. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to bend the ESP8266 MicroPython firmware onto it. So the only difference is that I changed the name of the firmware here. So in the earlier video I used ESP32 blah blah blah, like just the name I got when I downloaded. But in this video, note that I'm using the ESP8266, and I'm using the same baud rate because that is what has been working for the board that I bought. But if just in case this baud rate is not working for you, you can go to the official site and you can try the different baud rates that until you find one that is going to work for you. Okay, so let's go here, and I'm going to flash it. And take note, you can see that the blue LED is blinking at regular intervals to indicate that some flashing is happening. And at this point we are writing the MicroPython firmware that is specifically built for ESP8266 onto this ESP8266 breakout board. So I hope so far you're understanding what is going on. Just in case you don't understand anything, don't forget to leave me questions, and you can write comment for me to know how well you think I can improve this video. For example, I know my camera's focus is not the best, but that is not going to be an issue because when we start building circuits, when we start doing prototypes on the board, I will actually be drawing the circuit diagram. I'll be drawing the schematic before we build them, so you would be able to follow with the schematic and then reproduce the same thing in your home or in your lab. So that is it. As you can see, it says that it has finished writing it, and it has verified that the file was not tampered with. And you can see the auto detection, it detected that the flash size was 4 megabytes, and that is done by this flash size detect over here, and this 0 is the address on the flash size where it should start burning the firmware. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.